Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a butterfly flowers ear accessory, ear cuff, step by step. I write a process in text as you can see in the video, and the sounds record is only for me to chart and to talk to you all, and to let everyone know more about me. This year kit is more beautiful and elegant than last year's cuff. Last time, my boyfriend bought me a camera, Nikon D5600 as a gift. I am so happy. This is my first time use a camera like this one. My boyfriend says I looked very stupid on that unboxing camera video, and I don't know how to use it. I learned it a little bit. From now on, I can record high quality video for you all. Before that, I used my cell phone to record the video. My boyfriend says my video is very poor quality and poor edit. He also changed my desk pad. He said that desk pad is too dirty and very awful, disgusting. Do anyone think like that? Like this way also? But thanks to him, I don't need to use my cell phone to record forever. I can use the camera for recording. My boyfriend also say he can edit much better than me, and I asked him to help me. At the end, he get out. Edit a video isn't that easy, right? Do anyone think my video is too fast or not understanding what I am doing? Please leave me a comment and ask any questions, and leave me any comments you liked. I showed my video to my brother. He said he don't know what I am doing, but he thinks I am very talented on these accessories. Actually, I upload one video or two videos each week, but sometimes I am sad or busy. I will delay the updates. Last week, I have a sad stomach. So I upload one video on the Saturdays. I don't know if anyone sees it. My stomach always gets sad. One reason is because I don't eat breakfast when I in the college, when I in the school. So don't learn me. Remember to eat your breakfast. My boy said, and now I have a bad stomach. And I have a lot of things to say, but now I forget what I want to say now. Okay, let's talk next time. Let's try with you all next time. And don't forget to subscribe me and like this video. Also at my Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram and Pinterest on the upper left corners, and also in my description box. And enjoying my video, enjoying watch the video. I will talk to you next time, and good luck. Oh, I forget. Last thing I want to say is I love this music a lot. This is piano music. Its name is Touching Moment. I think I will use this music later on. Do you think it is a good music? Do you like it? And if you like it, leave me a comment below. And thank you.